likes you, Jack. He likes you.
You're going to pet him? Good job telling him to wait. Hi, Roloff. Roloff. Good morning, little buddy. Hey. Roloff. Roloff. Oh. Hi. Hi. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Oh, good morning. What is that? All sorts of stuff in the morning, huh? Like that. Don't bite my clothes. Bite the sock. Roll off. What are you doing, dude? Ooh, what's that? What's that? Where you going, dude? Roll off. I'm out of here. Breakfast time. See, he's not too bad, is he, Nunu? Hmm? Yeah. Are you guys going to get on? I don't think Bert's as happy about the situation as you guys. Nunu. You guys will be alright, I think. You going to be alright with this roll-off? Yeah. Nunu? Try it again. Try it again. Oh, he's got you now. You're crazy, Roloff. Roloff, go get it. Try it again, Jack. He's going to get it. He'll see it. Oh, here he comes. Oh, you could pull him. You could pull him on the carpet. Pull him along. Grab hold of that and you could pull him along. You're okay. If you pull, your hand might be that near there. There you go. Quick, go! Oh, good job. Is he licking? Tell him to get down. Good job. Here he comes.
You should get his duck and shake his duck for him. Or his sock. He'd like that.
I think his sock's in his cage, Jack.
You can go get it out of his cage if you want. Good boy.
What is that, Roloff? Get it. Get it. Get it. Can you get it? You're not going to get the balloon? What? Watch, come here. These are good. These are cool. Watch. Get it. Get it. No. Not that much fun. Has he got the string?
Yeah,
You gonna get it? You're playing. Go. Whoa, he's fast.
Yeah. And then I let go.
He's strong. He's stronger than you. Is he stronger than you, Jack? Uh-huh. He's got the string. Oh! Come on, roll off. Get him. Get him. Roll off. Get him.
Get my firework string.
He's got it. See ya. Oh, here he comes. Try it again. Call him. Where's he going? You better be careful. He might get your water. He might get it. He might get it. Call him.
No water. No water. Yeah.
Here he comes. Roll off. Watch, Jack's got the string for you, dude. It's over there. Go get it. Lie down. That's not what I said. That's not what I said. Bite the foot. Bite the foot. Bite the foot.
Dad, roll off.
Should we see if he gets it? Roll off. Look at the string. He's got it.
Oh, do it. Good job, Rhoda.
Oh, here he comes. Oh, here he comes. He's got it.
Oh, thanks. Yeah. Oh, do
Was he skating?
it.
Call him.
Roll off.
Roll off. Here he comes.
Get this.
Wave the string and he'll see it. Wave the string. Call him.
Roll off.
Roll off. Wave the string now. He'll see it. You're a nut. Roll off. Come on. Wave the string. There he comes. Oh, he's gonna get it. Did he get it? Oh, he's coming.
No, biting.
Good job, you tell him.
You got it.
You got it? Here it comes. Whoa.
No, down. No, get in the water.
Hey, Jack. No, thank you.
No, he's bigger now.
He's all puffed up. Look at his tail. I don't think he's too happy with roll off. Oh,
It's big.
look how big his tail is. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Friendly. Bert. Oh, naughty puppy's got into there. Come here. Get out of the cat's food.
Bigger now.
Yeah, he's puffed up good, isn't he? Look at his tail.
He got bigger now.
Uh-oh.
What now?
Look at it. Oh. This crazy puppy. Friendly. He's nuts, isn't he, Cat? He's off again. Is Bert still big? Hey Scooby, is he still doing it? Go! Has he still got your string? Pull him. Get him. Good job, guys. Pull him. Oh, he's strong, isn't he?
The scary bird. There is. It's big bird. It's scary bird. It's big bird. It's scary.
Oh, he's running away with your string.
Get him!
This is good.
Did you get him?
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh,
Oh, now he's pulling you.
Wait up! Get away! String.
Oh, Jack, you're gonna love it when he gets bigger and he's gonna pull you around the living room.